one is Jennifer. And I got some Happy Mail. And I'm going to show you, I got Happy Mail from Ola Joe. I absolutely am excited. So here's what I got. So let's take a look. So here's the first one. And it says furls. I love it. It comes in a little bag. So let's take a look. Oh, this is lovely. Look at that. Oh my. And the top comes off. And you put your tapestry needles in here. Or you could put sewing needles in there, either way. But that's beautiful, and it's got a little F on it. That's beautiful. I love that. Oh my. And then we've got, a box, and it's got a hook in it, I know. So let's see which hook it's got in it. This is exciting. Oh, it's stunning. This is a Sagittarius, and as you can see, it's a J, and look at the glitter on that. That is stunning, absolutely beautiful. Look at the colors on there. That's gorgeous. I love that. Thank you so much, Ola Joe. That is gorgeous. I love, love, love it. Thank you so much. So I'm going to link Ola Joe's channel, guys. Make sure that you are following Ola Joe. And this is fantastic. Thank you so much. I'm like super excited. I love them. Thank you so much. Stay safe, be kind to one another, and happy yarning. Bye now.